Okay, so I want to make a gradient on this shape right here. I select it and then just click my gradient tool and click back on my object. It is automatically this black and white, so I go to Fill, Gradient Options. Now this is my gradient slider and it changes the color. So if I click on that white point, I can select a swatch color. I can also use the eyedropper tool to select a color from my artwork. So I click the other point, but I'm going to grab this pink that I have here already. Okay, going back. So if I move the points on this slider, you'll see it changes my gradient. This is the midpoint, and it changes sort of how fast the gradient transitions. I'm going to close this. I can also do this directly on the object. So select Edit Gradient, and I can do this directly on my object. This is the same slider that was in the fill settings, but this time we're just doing it directly here. I can also click and drag to sort of freehand my gradient. So it's doing a similar thing. If I do it really short, it makes a very short gradient. If I do it long, it is a longer gradient. So you can do all kinds of angles and just play around and see which gradient you like best. I'm going to make mine kind of long. Okay, there you go. That's how you make gradients.